Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, September 25th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Had kind of a dull day today, but we did make some money, so any day we make money is not really a bad day. The Dow is kind of hesitant because of all this congressional gridlock we're having. They're all tied up with this uh, repeal and replace on Obamacare, and it's not going anyplace. And as long as that's tied up, we're not getting the tax reform. As soon as this market senses that they're going to do something about tax reform, it will take off. But today wasn't the day. Dow, in fact, ended up losing 53 points. Not exactly a sell off. In fact, as you can see here, after a fairly decent sell off at the beginning of the day, it did come back some toward the end, and that indicates that it's just waiting for a little bit of good news, and it takes off. Anyway, we ended up closing out positive $4,000 on three positions that we were holding over the weekend. Took $4,000 out of those. We got into 10 new positions, surprisingly, with the Dow down like that, but we got into 10 new positions. Only 3 were positive, 7 were negative, and we are carrying negative $2,700 going into tomorrow, but that's less than the $4,000 that we closed out, so I call it a winning day. Got just a couple stocks here to show you. This first one is FMSA. That's Fairmont Central Holdings Incorporated. And we got into this on Friday. We got out today. Not a perfect exit, but the stock really wasn't doing anything today. Pretty flat. So that exit isn't so bad. We took out $2,200 positive out of Fairmont Central Holdings. Then the other big one I want to show you. This is CLDX, which is a CLDX Therapeutics Incorporated. Of course, that's a biotech stock. On Friday, we got into that toward the end of the day. It gaps up today. We got out with $2,200 profit. Then it kept going. We got re-entered, and we're holding $2,100 profit in CLDX. So between those two trades, we got over $4,000. Pretty good trade there. So because of those good trades, we're pretty much positive for today. Anyway, that's the way it went on this Monday. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.